easy go.
Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing us how we can remove this error from our MEMU player. So today, before we start, let's take a look at it. It's saying Hyper-V not detected, so I'm going to show us how we can remove it totally free and easy. So let's get started. Exit. Yeah, so now what we're going to do, we'll refresh. Yeah, let's refresh our system so it will be new. Then we'll go to settings. So now we'll go to apps. Yeah, after going to the apps, we'll then go to this place, programs and features. Yeah, so turn on, off and off programs. So yeah, we'll go here. So now we can see all these folders here, everything here. You can see from the beginning to the end. So we'll go and click on Hyper-V. Yeah, Hyper-V, we'll tick Hyper-V. Look at it, open up the folders, you tick on Hyper-V. You can see 1, 2, 3, all ticked. So one next, we'll then okay, and wait while it's being this thing analyzed. It's installing now, so we just have to wait for some seconds or less than a minute. So just be patient. I'll walk you through all the steps you need. So it's still installing. Still installing. So now it has installed finished. So what we're going to do, we have to restart our PC. Yes. So now I'm using an external camera. So that you can see everything. There's no editing this is pure. So you can watch it even when the camera of the PC is off. So now it's restarting. After it's updated, it's restarting now. So you just have to wait. So now it's restarting. Now you can see my Windows is restarting. You can actually see it restarting now. You just need to be patient because it's what's waiting for. So it's going to totally fix every errors in MEMU pertaining to the Hyper-V. So Windows is loading now. Updating your system. Yes, it's updating now. You can see. Alright guys, so we're back. Now we'll open the MEMU application. So now you can see, right? There's no error code or any error messages again pertaining to Hyper-V or any graphical problem. We just fixed it. So just wait for the proof. Wait for the proof. Whichever way you are facing it, you just need this. This is a very easy way of fixing this problem. So now you see I've launched my MEMU, it's open. You can see my MEMU is open. I'm waiting for the apps to load now. It's loading. Alright guys, now so we can see it's already showing up. Yeah, now you can see. Okay, let's go to tools. Yeah, you can see all these extra apps here. Let's go to the layout. This is the mapping, the key mapping, the screenshots, the place where you get different kind of options, I guess. Yeah, I'm not really a MEMU user, but I just did this review to assist people because I've been hearing different complaints about it. This is the root. You can actually root the device or root this emulator for free. Okay, I guess that's all. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.